Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about a vital topic that affects all of us: how to combat aging through physical exercise. Alongside proper nutrition, exercise plays a crucial role in fighting the signs of aging while improving our physical and mental health. It's not just about traditional workouts. It's about integrating a balanced lifestyle that includes good sleep habits and practices like yoga and meditation. Regular physical activity has significant benefits, from restoring organ functions to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and extending our lifespan. So, why is exercise so essential in the fight against aging? Well, it helps our bodies maintain flexibility and strength while improving muscle endurance. When we engage in regular physical activity, our cardiovascular system, muscles, and nervous system are stimulated to work more efficiently. Plus, exercise encourages the production of beneficial hormones that boost metabolism and support cell regeneration. Let's look at some specific benefits of exercise in combating aging. Firstly, many studies show that our organs can regenerate and recover with consistent training. When we exercise, we enhance the functioning of our muscles, joints, and circulatory systems, which improves tissue regeneration and helps heal injuries. For instance, with regular workouts, our musculoskeletal system becomes stronger and more resilient, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and joint degeneration. Weight-bearing exercises increase bone density, decreasing the chances of fractures and helping maintain long-term mobility. When it comes to heart health, cardiovascular workouts like walking, swimming, and running are excellent. They enhance cardiovascular fitness and keep our blood pressure stable. Research indicates that those who exercise regularly have a significantly lower risk of heart disease than those who lead a sedentary lifestyle, minimizing the risk of complications associated with heart conditions. Moreover, physical activity boosts lung function and improves blood circulation. Exercising expands lung capacity and provides oxygen to our bodies, enhancing metabolic processes and supporting the functions of other organs. Now let's talk about another crucial aspect: reducing obesity and blood fat levels. Obesity and high blood lipid levels are primary risk factors for chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and hypertension. Regular exercise not only burns calories but also stimulates metabolism, helping to shed excess fat and stabilize cholesterol levels. High-intensity workouts can significantly increase metabolic rates and burn excess fat, aiding in weight loss and maintaining a healthy BMI. Exercising also reduces blood fat levels while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, protecting us from atherosclerosis and ensuring smooth blood flow. Another noteworthy benefit of regular physical activity is its positive effect on our immune system. Staying active enhances immune function and lowers the risk of infections. Exercise stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential in combating external threats. This is especially important as we age and our immune systems naturally weaken. Let's not forget the mental health benefits. Exercise releases hormones like endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, which improve our mood, reduce stress, and alleviate anxiety. This hormonal boost contributes to better sleep quality, allowing our bodies the time they need to recover and regenerate, keeping us balanced and mitigating the effects of stress on the aging process. Now, let's briefly touch on the effectiveness of mind-body practices like yoga, meditation, and Tai Chi in anti-aging. These exercises have proven to provide numerous health benefits while slowing down the aging process. They enhance our mental and physical balance, promote relaxation, and help us focus. Yoga increases flexibility, strengthens muscles, and supports circulation, while also reducing stress and enhancing our immune system. It's beneficial for joint health and can improve digestion and sleep quality. Meditation, on the other hand, helps with focus and reduces anxiety. It aids in controlling blood pressure, heart rate, and stabilizing blood sugar levels, thus decreasing the risk of chronic illnesses. Regular meditation fosters calmness and relaxation, enabling our organs to function more effectively. Tai Chi, a traditional martial art, combines gentle movements with proper breathing, promoting flexibility, mental stability, and cardiovascular health. Now, while exercise is essential, we also need to consider our daily habits and rest. A balanced lifestyle that includes proper nutrition, exercise, work, and relaxation is vital in maintaining youthfulness over the long term. Getting enough sleep is critical for cellular repair and regeneration. When we sleep, our bodies produce necessary hormones like melatonin and growth hormone, which play significant roles in tissue repair and maintaining cell function. It's also crucial to avoid harmful habits like smoking, excessive drinking, and unhealthy eating, as these can accelerate aging and harm our overall health. Instead, adopting a healthy lifestyle can help us maintain youth and longevity. Lastly, it's important to carve out time for relaxation and leisure. Stressful lives can speed up aging. Engaging in fun activities and spending time in nature help us alleviate pressure, recharge our energy, and keep our spirits high. In conclusion, exercising is not just a healthy habit. It's a key to effective and sustainable anti-aging. By keeping active, resting properly, and incorporating mind-body exercises, we can slow down the aging process, lower our risk of chronic diseases, and maintain our health for years to come. No matter how advanced science and technology become, the fundamental aspect of staying young and healthy lies in our ability to move and care for our bodies in simple yet impactful ways. Thank you all for listening. If you found this information valuable, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more knowledge on anti-aging, and leaving your comments on this topic. Your feedback means a lot.